Making the most of your space doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. Whether you live in a small apartment or just want to keep things more organized, there are smart furniture and home gadgets that can really help. I have listed the best options that are useful, space-saving, and easy to get from Amazon. These picks are simple, practical, and designed to fit right into your daily routine. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Murphy bed. Boasting a foldable chest-style form, this Murphy bed dramatically optimizes room flexibility by transforming into a beautiful dresser when not in use, freeing floor space. Its integrated charging hub includes AC outlets, USB-A and C ports, and a long cord for bedside device power. Hidden underneath is spacious drawer storage for linens or a tri-fold mattress. Built with premium materials supporting up to 661 pounds for steady, long-lasting reliability. NextGen's modern nightstand. Featuring 3 smooth, handle-free drawers that provide organized storage for bedside essentials, this modern piece merges sleek lines with a gently curved silhouette and textured finish. Built-in AC outlets and USB ports keep phones and tablets ready at hand, while cable management keeps clutter minimal. Crafted from P2 MDF and engineered wood, it withstands daily use with a top surface holding up to 130 pounds and drawers supporting 20 pounds each. NextGen wireless charging socket. Designed for countertop integration with a 80 mm cutout, this pop-up outlet conceals neatly when in use. Deploy to access one wireless Qi charger and multiple AC, USB-A, and USB-C ports, including a 20W fast-charging USB-C and surge protection up to 800J. It supports heavy device loads safely while staying out of sight and out of the way when stowed. Altogether Cool Mist Humidifier. A desktop humidifier that doubles as a captivating art piece, cycling water flow in a loop to create an illusion of droplets rising upward under strobe lighting. With an 800 milliliters reservoir, it runs 8-10 hours per fill. Choose ambient lighting mode or silent sleep mode in darkness. After 4 hours of continuous use, it powers off automatically for safety and longevity, offering both function and visual intrigue. Wall-mounting folding table. A wall-mounted folding table that integrates seamlessly into kitchens, study nooks, bathrooms, or balconies. It folds flat when not in use, saving space while delivering a modern, wood-finished aesthetic. The sturdy particle board construction supports up to 50 pounds on the top surface, providing a lightweight yet durable workspace or dining surface. A minimalist solution for compact living areas. A Merlife lift-up storage bed. A storage bed featuring a gas lift base that elevates effortlessly without shifting the mattress. The lift-up area underneath accommodates suitcases or seasonal items for clutter-free living. Above, the wooden headboard doubles as shelving and integrates a charging station. Rounded edges and a hollow design deliver a refined, rustic look. Constructed from robust MDF, it offers stable build quality and timeless visual appeal. Underbed storage containers. A transparent underbed storage bag made with durable plastic that stays clean effortlessly. Its see-through body allows instant visibility of contents like quilts or clothes. The material resists moisture and wear, while reinforced handles on top and sides make carrying or sliding out effortless. Combined with a double zipper system, it offers versatile use under beds or in closets for neat, accessible organization. Sweet Crispy Coffee Table. Coffee table with a lift top that raises about 6.3 inches to convert into a desktop or dining spot. Below the surface is a main compartment and clever side shelves for remotes or snacks. The textured wood finish and tapered legs strike a refined, modern style. Built on a thick steel frame with reinforced legs, it's stable under daily use and offers enduring functionality. Futon Sofa Bed. Velvet-clad futon sofa bed that transitions smoothly from seating to a flat sleep surface. The backrest adjusts among 3 angles, from upright lounging to full recline, offering ergonomic comfort for reading, napping, or watching TV. Its steel frame and plywood support hold up to 500 pounds. Velvet upholstery resists wrinkles and pilling. A side storage pocket keeps essentials like remotes or keys close at hand. Happy Arm over-the-door organizer. A behind-door organizer built from robust metal rather than fabric, offering high weight tolerance without bending or deformation. 4 mesh baskets and external hooks allow versatile storage of towels, snacks, cosmetics, accessories, and more. It installs easily without tools or drilling, using adhesive pads to fix firmly in place. Ideal for kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, any place needing extra organized space. Song Mix Makeup Organizer. Crafted from plated metal and PET plastic, the rotating Lazy Susan makeup organizer offers a chic and durable solution for all your cosmetics. Compartments on the top shelf neatly segregate foundations, lipsticks, perfumes, and tools, while the lower shelf adds generous capacity without clutter. Its 360 degrees turntable ensures easy access to every item, and you can configure it into 1, 2, or 3 tiers to suit your needs. No tools needed for setup. Under-shelf basket organizer. Designed to slide effortlessly beneath most cabinet shelves with just a coin-thick gap, the under-shelf basket organizer requires no tools and adjusts easily via a hand-twist screw. Anti-slip pads and widened, thickened arms ensure stability without tilting or falling. Adjustable up to 7 inches high in the front and back, it offers ample room for larger items and fully maximizes under-cabinet storage space. Travel garment rack. Weighing just over a pound and folding into a compact 13-inch x 3.2-inch bundle, the portable garment rack fits into a handbag or backpack easily. Telescopic stainless steel construction unfolds to heights up to 53-inch and width to 28-inch, providing ample drying or hanging space. No assembly needed, simply unfold and use. With non-slip feet for stability and a maximum load of about 8.8 pounds, it's perfect for travel, dorms, camping, hotels, or RVs. Dish drying rack. Built from premium 304 stainless steel with a sleek black coating, the OverSync dish drying rack adjusts from 30-inch, 33.9-inch wide and fits faucets under 21-inch in height. It accommodates bowls, plates, glasses, boards, and cleaning tools, draining directly into the sink to prevent countertop pooling. The rust-resistant frame resists corrosion, while the fingerprint-proof finish wipes clean easily. Assembly is intuitive, with clear instructions and included accessories for quick setup. Indoor-outdoor clothesline. The retractable clothesline installs in minutes and extends up to 13.9 feet with one hand, then retracts neatly when not in use. Ideal for wet towels, sheets, cloth diapers, or laundry, it works indoors or outdoors on balconies, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. Its modern minimalist design seamlessly blends with home decor. Using air drying saves energy and preserves garment quality. Recognized on Today's Show, CNN, USA Today, and Fox. Folding storage ottoman bench. Insert the bottom panel and the foldable ottoman pops open in seconds, offering 35 gallons of interior storage and a removable divider for neat separation of items. Crafted from MDF with reinforced metal corners, it supports up to 660 pounds, doubling as reliable seating. Covered in a linen-look tufted surface with layer foam, it adds both style and comfort to any living area. Sparax Walking Pad Treadmill. Powered by a 2.5 horsepower motor, this compact treadmill supports up to 340 pounds, offering adjustable speeds from 10 km/h across leisure, walking, and running modes. Its 5-layer anti-slip belt and cushioned shock absorption protect joints during exercise. Real-time stats like distance and speed appear on the LED display, with a handy remote control. No assembly required, and transportation wheels make it easy to move and store at home or office. LifeWit Laundry Baskets. A sturdy iron wire frame sewn into the rim allows the laundry hamper to stand upright as soon as it's expanded, and strong padded handles offer easy 1- or 2-hand carrying. At about 80 L capacity per basket, 2-pack holds over a full load of dirty laundry. Made from thick polyester with a waterproof PE-coated interior, it keeps contents dry and wipes clean easily. Balanced loading prevents collapse. Toy storage hammock. Crafted from eco-friendly cotton and hand-woven macrame rope, the triangular toy hammock holds plush toys and displays them in style. It fits neatly in room corners to declutter floor space while doubling as whimsical decor. Included starstring night light enhances the cozy feel. No extra tools required. Wall-mountable hooks are included, ensuring a secure and child-safe installation. Bamboo shower bench. Handcrafted from solid bamboo with a waterproof varnish, the shower bench features outward flaring thick legs for maximum load support up to 350 pounds and a dual shelf frame for added stability and storage. Smooth edges and non-slip rubber feet protect both body and floor. Assembly takes 3 minutes using the included Allen wrench and hardware. Versatile as a shower seat, shaving stool, bathtub shelf, or hallway bench in indoor or outdoor settings. Maximizing space doesn't have to mean sacrificing style or functionality. These 20 clever furniture and smart home ideas prove just that. Whether you're in a tiny apartment or simply want to make your home more efficient, these Amazon finds offer smart solutions for every corner. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If this video helped spark a few ideas, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who love smart living, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss our latest content, tips, and reviews.